Cukuru wa kothi cia moko wa Karumo gĩcigo-inĩ kĩa ũmbunge gĩa Tigania West nĩguo ũratamburirwo nĩ thirikari ta cukuru ũrĩa wĩkĩte wega harĩ cukuru-inĩ cia kothi cia moko riboti-inĩ ya mwaka wa 2021 na 2022. Gũtamburwo nĩ thirikari na gũtugwo gwa cukuru ũyũ ndũhithĩte gĩkeno kũrĩ arutwo na arutani. Gũkũ makiuga ngwatanĩro njega gatagatĩ kao nĩ ũmwe wa maũndũ marĩa matũmĩte cukuru ũyũ wambatĩre.
And even the performance contracting, we will still retain our position as we speak now. We are working on our PC now. Right away, I'm from a PC exercise, so we still intend to maintain our position and make it better and better.
In whole, we thank the school institution management too. It has been of supportive issues to us pia.
Sisi kama Karumo, unasikia the institutions zinasema sijui kuko na shida na nini, lakini sisi kama Karumo, we are the problem solvers. This is the place where creativity and innovation delivers solution. Yes.
Ihinda-inĩ rĩa mĩaka ĩna arutwo a cukuru ũyũ mambatĩrĩte na 401. Mũrutani mũnene wa cukuru ũyũ akiuga arutwo aingĩ arĩa maremwo nĩ gũkinyĩra mathomo ma university kana college mokaga gũkũ.
Kusema kweli, Karumo ilianza na wanafunzi wachache sana. By the year 2020 we were at 900 students, lakini as we speak now tuko 5,500. And this is attributed by the fact that we did marketing na shule yetu imejulikana all over Kenya mzima.
Tunafurahi sana kama walimu, kama the fraternity. Tunasema ni asante sana kwa ile support tumekuwa tukipokea. Kwa wale wote wamechangia hiyo kukua number 1. Kwanza kabisa wanafunzi wana ile moyo wa kusomea hapa na wanafurahia sana kukua hapa. Ndio kwa maana hata performance imeenda juu because wanafurahia kukua kwa hii institution na ile skills ambazo wanapata ni skills ambazo zinawasaidia katika maisha yao.
Ona cukuru ũyũ ũgĩkũraga mabataro maguo matiratwarana na namba ya arutwo ta wagi wa irathi cia kũigana na arutani. Amu mathomagĩra hama-inĩ iria rĩmwe ithararagio nĩ rũhuho na mbura rĩrĩa kwaura. Ikaya rĩngĩ maikĩtie nĩ rĩa gwakĩrwo nyumba cia gũkoma. Amu arutwo aingĩ mohaga thabarĩ ndaya magĩgakinya cukuru na makĩinũka.
The challenges, our institution is a day school and we rely on land loans within the institution, and it is a challenge now that they may not be able to meet the population expectations, and that is a major challenge. Our students travel as far as 6 kilometers from our institution to get accommodation, and that's why I'm requesting, kindly asking the people within the Adwana zone to come up with constructions ndio waweze kuaccommodate our students.
At least wajenge buildings zingine. School bus yenyewe ni 51 seater. Na vile mnajua watu wakiwa na perform hivyo, we are hoping tunaenda mbali. So we want at least serikali ingilie kati hiyo bus wa do something.
Saa zingine unakuja kufanya studies usiku na ukienda nje unapata like accommodations, nyumba ziko mbali. So we urge the government to watufad at least offer the school so that we can get the best accommodation. Hostels ambazo zinamanajiwa na shule. The other thing is about the library. We need a world class library.
Kĩrĩa kĩnini cukuru ũyũ wonete kuma kũrĩ kĩrĩa kĩnini arutwo marĩhaga nĩkĩmahotithĩtie gwaka irathi nini iria mũrutani mũnene oigĩte itingĩiganĩra arutwo 5,000 arĩa marathomera gũkũ. Ngĩribotera Inooro TV, njĩtagwo Wanjikũ wa Kĩmani.